Hello, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to Brain Snack. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's been making waves in the crypto world: Trump Coin. What is it? Why is it trending? And should you consider adding it to your portfolio? Let's find out. First things first, what is Trump Coin? As the name suggests, Trump Coin is a cryptocurrency inspired by former U.S. President Donald Trump. While it's not officially affiliated with Trump or his campaigns, it was created as a meme token, representing a mix of political commentary and crypto enthusiasm. Decentralized token, meme-inspired, community-driven. The coin has gained traction, especially among Trump supporters and crypto enthusiasts who are drawn to its satirical nature and bold branding. Trump Coin operates on the blockchain. Like most cryptocurrencies, it's a decentralized token, meaning no government or central authority controls it. Transactions are verified by the network, ensuring transparency and security. The coin's value, like most meme tokens, is heavily influenced by community hype, market trends, and social media buzz. Always keep that in mind when investing. So, why is Trump Coin making headlines now? Here are the main reasons. It recently saw a spike in trading volume after a series of viral tweets and posts on platforms like Twitter and Reddit. The ongoing debates about Trump's influence in politics and culture have kept the coin relevant. And let's not forget the power of memes. Memes can drive massive attention in the crypto world. Viral social media posts, political relevance, market hype. Now, let's talk about the big question. Should you invest in Trump Coin? Here's what you need to consider. Meme tokens can be fun and exciting, but are highly speculative. Only invest what you're willing to lose. Do your research. Check the project's roadmap, team, and community. And remember, the crypto market is volatile, so proceed with caution. That's all for today's video on Trump Coin. What do you think about this cryptocurrency? Would you invest? Or is it just another meme coin? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Brain Snack, and hit the bell icon for more crypto content. Until next time, stay safe and invest wisely. Like, subscribe, and bell icons appearing with sound effects.